Yeah, definitely. He loves doing zoomies. Raven too. Come on. Thanks for hitting that thumbs up, everybody. Gojo, do you mean why are moose and raven different colors? Or? Yeah, I got it back. Hey, I'm gonna post the full video later. That was just a short clip. I chased her around the kitchen for like 5 minutes, probably 4 or 5 minutes. Finally got the hat back. Moose was watching. That was funny. There was a yeah, they do. They look like wolves for sure. They're about as close to being a wolf as you can get. You digging, Moose? But yeah, they come in, Malamutes can be all different colors. Some of them are pure white. Moose and raven are multicolored. Yeah, they love the snow. What are you doing, buddy? You digging a hole? You're kicking dirt onto the porch. Marvin, thanks for stopping by. If you're going to get lunch, Jensen. I'll have to take a look. Let's see. Moose's daddy looked a lot like him. He was a red boy, and their mom was kind of black and grayish. And all their brothers and sisters are either black and white or reddish like Moose. Raven was the most unique looking out of the litter. She has the brown, black, and white, which was cool. She's tricolored, which is also kind of rare. They're usually either a solid color or two colors. They're all food motivated. That's funny. And they love to eat. Thanks for stopping by, Marvin. Cool. I'll have to check out some of Jensen's videos. I'll look it up later. Yeah, pretty much. Every once in a while we take a day off, but it's more or less at this time every day. And then I'll do one tomorrow morning for morning our time. We're Eastern time, so maybe 11 o'clock in the morning. And then when we do activities like scootering or skiing, it's usually in the afternoon. So the most guaranteed time for a live stream, though, is at early night like this. We're 7 o'clock where I am right now. Yeah, yeah. He's starting these. These are perfect to plant flowers in. I could get some blueberry plants, put them in these holes. That'd be nice. Look at that. He just started that hole, and look how deep it is already. What do you hear down there? They're probably mice or something tunneling underground, and he can tell that they're down there. You're gonna be muddy, buddy. Carmel McCarthy, how are you doing? This is Moose. Thanks for stopping by. Say hi, Moose. Oh, there he goes. Time for some zoomies? He's thinking about it.